Welcome to Rev Academy Deep Dives, where we work through practical solutions using Rev. I'm Chase Shiflett, the field CTO at Rev, and today we're diving into workspace organization for law firms. Whether you're managing terabytes of discovery or coordinating with multiple team members, you'll learn how to set up effective workspaces, organize case folders, enable seamless team collaboration, and implement workflow approaches that top firms are using right now. Let's get started. As the Rev admin, it's your job to organize workspaces, encourage best practices, and support collaboration. And today I'm going to demonstrate two possible directions and why you might choose them. So the first is office-wide access. And this is the preferred setup for smaller firms, DA's offices, and public defenders, where attorneys and supporting staff collaborate across almost every case. To get started, create an office workspace and add all the staff members. So to do that, here in Rev, we click on Workspace. Then we click on the Add Workspace button on the right-hand side. And here we'll name this after our firm. We'll call it Chance and Associates. Once we hit Create, it'll create the workspace for us, and then we can add all of the members. So by clicking on this, it's going to take me into the workspace. I select these settings and I go to members. Now we can see here that I am the only member of this workspace. To add members from your organization in Rev, you simply click Add Member on the right, and then you can choose to add by email. So let's just select a few people. Now that we have added or selected the members we would like, we'll also give them a role. And because most people will be contributors, we'll add them as contributors. Once we select Add, you now see that the workspace is populated with the members that were selected. Now I can change their role at any time or remove them if I need to. But once this workspace is created, now we're ready to start organizing our cases and uploading discovery. To do that, simply click on the workspace itself. You can see that we currently have no files in our workspace, and it's offering us the opportunity to upload. Before we upload, we're going to create a client folder. When we click on Add Folder, we can add the name. And so we will name this after our client. Shiflett Chance. Now, in addition to the client name, you can also add the matter number. Now we hit Create. With our folder created, we can now click into it and easily start to upload all of our discovery. Now, any files that we upload here, the rest of the team will be able to access and start completing tasks against. All right, now let's dive into the second way to organize. And that method is really preferred by mid to large size firms. Firms where access to client files is restricted to the partner and the team. And in order to do that, we will create a similar workspace, except this time we're going to organize them by attorney. In order to do that, we'll go back to Workspaces, select Add Workspace, and here we'll call this Attorney John Smith. and we'll hit create. By clicking into this workspace and then going to the settings and selecting members, we can now add team members underneath this partner. Again, we can go through and we can select all of the members that we would like to be a part of this account. We can give them contributor roles and add them. Now, next time these users log in, they will have access to John Smith's workspaces and can begin to work off of those client files. Similarly, once the attorney's workspace is created, there are no files. You'll want to go in and start adding folders. Again, using the client's name and or the matter number associated with it. Once this folder is created, the rest of the team can start uploading discovery or working on those files and advancing the case. These two methods will ensure your firm and teams are well organized to work on any case moving forward. Thanks for joining this Rev Academy Deep Dive. We'll be publishing new tips and tricks regularly. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything.